everybody, welcome to another video. Here we are in Pune, India at my cousin Julia's place, Julia and Sandip. So we've decided today to have a mango tasting fiesta. So we're very excited. We've got little scorecards. We'll see which ones we like. We'll see which ones
Yum.
are our favorite. Let's eat some mangoes. So we've got some yellow ones. Yellower in color. We've got some big ones. This guy's large. The dark orange seems to be what makes me excited the most.
Look at this cute
And a little mini one over here, which apparently is the most flavorful one. So very excited here for our mango taste test. We'll see which ones we like. Dun, 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 dun. Are you ready, Ivana?
So ready.
Are you excited?
Smells so good.
It does smells good. So
mango season.
this is my cousin Julia. Hi. Hey, Julia. Very exciting. Okay, let's eat.
Those mangoes. Look, it's a
Totapuri.
different shape than most
Yes.
mangoes.
It's a bit like a
cool.
kidney bean or something.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
Let's go.
Enough dawdling.
Enough thinking and start eating. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Alfonso Ratnagiri.
That's the location.
Number 2. Looks nice, this one. Darker orange. Totapuri? Ratnagiri.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm ready. Wow. Wow, what do you say? What do you say, Julia?
This one's awesome.
This one's awesome, is right.
It's not that sweet though.
No, but it's
Not.
it's
I feel like I've had sweeter.
number 3 is Badami.
Badami. So badami means almond. So
Okay.
that's why I guess this is kind of more almond shaped than.
Yeah, definitely bigger, lighter.
Yeah, it looks similar to.
No, it's totally different.
It's totally different, is that right?
Yeah.
It looks similar to the Totapuri,
It's totally different.
but it's totally different.
Let's give it a shot.
The
Okay.
color looks similar.
I'm ready, let's do it.
Wow.
It's actually quite nice.
Ooh.
It wakes you up.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Really likes this one.
Wow, Badami is something special.
Oh, the skin's really good too. It's not as bitter as the other one.
You eating the skin?
Wow. It's really good.
Really nice, totally different. So, 3 mangoes, 3 different flavors.
Really. I kind of. Oh right, that's.
The skin is a little bit strong for me.
Is it?
Yeah, but it's quite nice, the mango. Okay.
Let's try it.
Number 4. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Smells?
Smells like dirt.
Smells like dirt. Does it smell like dirt?
Like flour.
Smells like flowers.
Flour smell.
Flowers smell like dirt. Okay, let's try. Dun, dun, dun. Similar to the other one.
Similar, but this one is sweeter, I think.
It's kind of musky.
I think you're right. Kind of like dirt. I get the dirt idea. Okay, number 5.
Looks good though, doesn't it?
Number 5. So the
Pairi.
inside looks kind of similar in terms of its orange, but the outside is clearly green.
Green and like it has like pinkish shade, I guess.
That one smells the best, I think.
Let me smell.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Compare it.
so excited to try that one.
This one smells really nice.
Yeah.
I think this one smells the best. This might be the winner. Dun dun
So far, so
dun.
good.
Pairi.
Pairi.
Am I saying it right? Pairi.
Pairi. Pairi.
Pairi. Yeah, Pairi. If you're gonna
Pairi.
totally. Okay. Dun dun
The
dun.
king of mango is Hapus.
Hapus?
Hapus. This is the
Alfonso.
Hapus. This is Alfonso.
Hapus. That's the king of the mangoes.
More stringy too.
Whoa.
It has
Totally different.
Whoa, totally different
Whoa.
flavor.
According
What
to
is that?
I bit into the
yeah,
skin.
it has that flavor always.
The skin is like.
Whoa! That's unexpected flavor.
What?
Feel the flavor.
But the flesh is like vanilla-y. I
Yeah.
find. But the skin is like sour. It's a really awesome combination.
Yeah. This one is more creamy, I feel.
Wow.
So always we do get
It's
that
like three
smell.
fruits in one.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like 3 different fruits.
Really sweet inside the skin. Really nice.
Yeah.
Number 6.
What does Kesar mean?
Kesar means actually saffron color. So
Oh.
it gives like this like
Red.
saffron like. Can you see this like
Yeah.
that
Yes.
reddish orange
Splash,
color? You know, like
yeah.
saffron color. That's why it's called like Kesar.
Mm.
It's one of the good mango, very good mango.
So it looks like a combination between an Alfonso and this one almost. It kind of has the yellow but also the
But
green.
the flesh is a little
But the
lighter.
flesh looks different again. Wow, I'm excited.
Let's try.
Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Dun, dun, dun.
It's the juiciest one.
It's similar to the Badami.
Next one up is Mini Alphonso.
Look at the size.
Yeah,
they have some
local name we call bitki.
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 Bitki. Like Bitcoin. Yeah, perfect.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh.
The flavor's
They always beat everyone.
With flavors.
It's
Wow. It's like none of the other ones were mangoes.
No,
this
no.
is the best one.
This is
That's why it's my
amazing.
It's like
favorite.
candy.
Yeah.
That's why it's my favorite.
Gosh.
It really is the best flavor. It really is.
Full pack flavor. Like
Oh my
all this
God.
into this one.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
it's like mango flavored candy. That's what it tastes like. Wow.
They're so good.
Yeah, they're very good. That's
Wow.
my favorite.
I think so. I think it has to be.
Yeah.
They're so good.
Well, we got this one last.
Yeah.
No problem.
That's the one that you bought too.
That's not to say any of the mangoes are bad.
Yeah, none
this
of
one's
them
just
are
this one's
bad.
just better.
It's like better and better and better.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm impatient.
Number 8. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Whoa.
That's why.
really juicy.
That's why this is like king of mango. This one.
You know how to pick a good mango.
Wow. That's really good. That's better than the other one for sure.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What a good idea, the mango tour.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that was our last one.
Alfonso really cleaned up today.
Did, but man, that Pairi was like.
But Pairi, or Pairi, Pairi. Let me
Pairi,
fix.
Pairi.
I'm gonna have another one of those because I really liked it.
Pairi with a 9.5 out of 10. But the Mini Alphonso is really the hero of the day. That thing, if you can get one of those to be full size, you'd have $1 million company. Those things are so delicious. Everybody's just munching on mangoes now. Wow, we did a good job, Ivana. Look at what we did, everything finished. Oh, look at Ivana. Ah, silly goose. Look at all our peels.
I need to put this.
The small little pit on the small one. Okay, what can you say in conclusion, Ivana? Alfonso, good mangoes. Mini Alphonso, incredible mangoes. Totapuri, not very nice. Kesar, Totapuri was the first one we tried. It was okay. Kesar, okay. But Pairi, incredible. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks to Julia, my cousin, for hosting us. Been here for like 2 weeks. What? Just filling up on good food. Okay, see you guys in the next video.
Bye.